Oh! Yes!
Oh, that was sick. You see him just cut
Yeah.
it? Where's your belt at?
Yellow.
Charging, dude. Forward.
Forward.
It's okay.
Never got. I had a good book. I mean, I catch yellowfin on top, so I never got to do it. Beats the hell out of girls. I agree. What do you need to do?
Side by side. We're gonna come in, people. Get all fishing at the fall.
No.
What?
Give me this setup. Yep.
They might have gotten twisted there.
Sorry, dude.
That's
It might have hit his. They looked close.
You think so?
No, I don't think it hit mine. I never do anything.
It didn't hit.
Oh shit! They're crashing right there. You see that?
They're right there.
Guys, crash! It's right there. There's that whole group of fish there.
Dude, look at the screen. Holy shit. You see how much smaller those marks look compared to like the giants we
Yeah.
were looking at yesterday? This jig's going under the boat.
Huh?
I guess it's the current going.
Current going and just going up.
Are you fucking monkey?
Sorry, I gotta get this really quick.
Every cast.
Yes.
Oh my god. It's good. He's getting away from the boat.
You said that jig was brand new, got hit on the way down.
Oh wow.
Picked it up.
13 pounds. Every forward.
what's going on?
Yeah,
How many strikes do you get?
one on every cast.
What
One
lure?
on every cast.
Looking good, Henry.
This fish needs to slide off a little bit.
Yeah, it's gonna be a busy day. For sure. Henry, this is a great shot with the sun in the background.
More down.
Hold on, Lindsay.
Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a quick dart.
Alright, we got it.
Okay, you good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right.
I actually really like that the buddy track that way.
Need help? Yeah, I'm about to try to put this back.
Henry, that one got bigger, didn't it?
Two of us. You grab his tail, I'm gonna look him in.
Henry, how you feeling? Feels good. Nonstop.
Grab his tail.
Content, Nicky. Nonstop action.
You guys think you're gonna top an expert?
No, we're not. No, I'm just a driver. You guys are the experts.
I'm fine doing this every day.
Yeah. No, I know my limits. You guys are the experts. It's pretty cool to be a part of it. My back hurts much when you guys do it though a little bit.
Warmed up for the first play.
Got 71 right here, Jake. What you got? On the bigger tuna underneath of me.
Feet down to the rock.
Me too.
Look at the veil.
Right
Look at
now.
the veil. You need a plier? I have multiple ones. Yeah, give me one. It's in his eye.
Nick, you alright?
Yeah.
We got the marks right here.
Oh my god, guys!
Drop a dig! 100 feet, man. It has 120 feet. 100.
Yes! 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 Yes!
Yes!
Get it! Get it!
Yo, Dad, 100 feet, huh? 150.
Oh yeah! Double up!
Let's go!
Double up! Yes!
Right inside on the table on the left. Alright, calf forward a little bit so that push them both to the back. I don't like this fish charging. Forward, yeah, there we go.
Xanax! The black one? Xanax!
Forward a little more.
Guys.
Forward, you already shot. You got this, man.
There's so much fucking drag on this thing.
Alright, that's good. You guys coordinate. Cap, that's good now. You can pause and caster, keep casting.
Henry, I'm in about a 2-knot current.
What?
I'm in about a 2-knot current.
That's good. That's good.
It's good. Maybe hold
I just want to make sure they're out there fighting instead of on that side.
Yeah, I got you. Yeah, perfect.
Venas.
Dude, this handle is tight and tight.
Really?
37 pounds of strength.
Venas. Take your hoodie off and talk to him.
Talk to us. Your fish is crossing him. Your fish is crossing him. Talk to him. Talk to him. Where is he? Talk to him. So keep an eye on the fish.
Talk to him, Joe. Don't have to get it out. I'll kill you.
I kill you!
Venas, you gotta talk to me, man. You can't be in pain. I need a belt. No belt. Solo.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Someone get him belt. Someone get him belt. Yes, forward, come a little bit.
Yo.
Attach to my dry bag.
Here.
Yes, sir. It'll be nice putting your back to the back.
We got a situation with Venas right now. Right? Venas is about to go solo.
You like it?
Venas, if you can't get this in, let it go in the water. The rod, the setup.
I mean, dare you lower the belt.
You gotta talk to me right now.
Lower it.
Not very confident.
Lower it.
Take the hoodie off and show me your hat.
This is cool with it.
Yeah, it is very cool.
Dude, you know that wall of marsh? How many fish is there? And I was surprised you guys swim past that.
I got hit on the way down, too.
Talk to us. We need to bump more forward.
Take down, forward.
Forward just a little bit more. Talk to us.
You guys go back to the
Talk to
right.
us on there. Talk to us on there. Talk to us. Go under him. Go under him. Under him.
Over. Everywhere.
They're dancing. They're dancing. Pick down the hoodie, man. Come on. You need show yourself. There you go.
Go what you need.
Wow. Over 700 power.
Keep going
You
forward,
want to
forward,
film
forward,
some
forward.
portrait, some
Hand on the
landscape so
forward.
that you can use it in Sammy campaign.
Really?
Yeah. You want?
But this is for Xana's personal collection.
Alright.
This is proof of solo fight. Yeah. You know Xana's? Look at his hat. Look at his hat for a second.
Holy shit.
Psychic Vader. Number 1 Japan lure.
That's what I wanted to hear. Black back it up top on the leader.
Nice.
You did right, Black bag.
What's that? A Metallica 25?
Oh, you got me right there. Wait, want me to touch it? Yeah. Need a touch. Oh, coming up?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Brian, come on. What's going on? We gotta
I don't want to drop it until he gets it put up.
Oh, it's so quick.
Go what you need.
No. Talk to each other.
Out front, stay underneath, go.
Come on.
Oh shit, I gotta keep
Come on, Joe. What was that, Joe?
What was that, Joe?
This way.
Oh, yours a
He's
big,
right off
yours
the
a good
corner.
one.
Slide up to your right. Get him in this corner. There you go.
There you go.
Pretty work. Talk to each other, guys. Talk to each other. One at a time. Finish one fish. Move closer.
Guys, somebody help the main here.
Yep.
Somebody grab the leader.
you need, Dave.
I guess it was a good day to come out, Sultan.
Henry, be careful.
I don't have gloves, that's the problem. I can't hold it for you.
Can you do me a favor? What? Actually, Brian, can you hold the rod for me?
Here,
Someone stick this in his mouth. I got him on the system.
here, grab it on
Stick this in his mouth. Put it on the gun right here on the system. Gotta get the brakes.
Feels like it's cheaping out on the track. You gotta give me the, I paid for the full show.
Here you go.
I paid for the full show.
Yeah, got it.
Good.
Can we bump it forward? You release them?
I need to put a bigger jig on.
If you want one, go ahead.
Let me see that jig.
I bet the back.
Oh yeah, spin around that jig.
Fuck yeah.
Ribbon fish jig.
Rules suck.
Huh?
Rules suck. Balls and regulations. Look at that. My man over here, dude, he's gonna hook 100 inches.
Ron's about to.
No, you're good. You're good. Ryan.
Rise revenge.
That's what I noticed this year too. They've been keyed in on the
Reverse
Ron,
railroading.
you're the muscle operator. For the 100.
All right, Sultan, I want you to show me the lifting power of this rod.
They're all pretty ones. They weren't like the other day.
No, they're nice. Good fight.
Yeah. Good action.
Yeah, man, get right into the top and then go on.
Low gear. Take the low gear. Oh, it's not kicked in? No, it's not. You just crank. You need to crank to fix it.
jigging? Got it up, no problem.